kailangan ng nag-pack up lang yung stressful din naging forward. Anticipate yung boss ball. Ready defensive pa. Okay, defensive, enigmatic. Yeah, like ready the book. Now the book. Damn. That's one count. I think it's stabilized. 2. And then 3. Wait. And then okay, drop defensives. Now drop defensives now. Go back. Minsan ang ginagawa niya stun tapos basic attack. Then gagawa siya ng
Tapos suka.
or minsan walang suka yun. Legit, kapag walang suka yun, doon ka kabahan kasi kung walang suka, it's either ready with
After pa ng pumata.
drop defensive na. Kasi kung minsan yung suka niya is yung pinakahuli. So kapag na-drop ka na defensive early, fucked up ka na talaga. Basta may ano talaga tong boss, may saltik tong boss, may mga times na saltik siya. Makikita mo yun kapag nag-RL ka, mapapansin mo yung rotation. Di ko lang ma-explain kasi wala, di naman na
unpredictable kasi minsan talaga.
Pwede naman siya ma-predict.
Pag na-run na talaga, like parang ano siya, testing
drop
the water.
defensive, no. Kapag na-practice mo na talaga. Kailangan mo pang practicean tong book para malaman mo talaga. Tunay lang talaga eh. Kill it. In the boxing dong. Switch to